Hi, I'm Chef Kalel Chan, one of the chef ambassadors of Doña Elena, and now I'm gonna teach you how to make Bulalo Paella. This is a flavorful paella recipe mixed in with our favorite Filipino bulalo dish. For our ingredients, we have bulalo meat with tendon, roasted bone marrow, chopped red onions, paprika, French beans, pechay Tagalog, bulalo stock with paella seasoning. And for our main ingredients, we have bomba rice, we have Doña Elena white wine, Doña Elena diced tomatoes, Doña Elena pure olive oil for sauteing, and to add a layer of flavor, we're adding Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Come on, let's start cooking. To make our paella stock, let's start with some broth. And we will be adding paella seasoning with saffron. Just mix and let it simmer. For every 6 cups of broth, use 1 sachet of seasoning. Let's cover the paella pan with Doña Elena pure olive oil. Let's saute the red onions and Doña Elena diced tomatoes until it's caramelized. Let's season it with salt and a little pepper. Now that our tomatoes and onions are caramelized, we're gonna add the bulalo meat and tendon. Then let's add our bomba rice. Let's make sure to toast our bomba rice so it gives a little nutty flavor to our paella. Let's deglaze our dish with a Doña Elena white wine. Now that the white wine has reduced, let's add our bulalo stock with paella seasoning. And let's add the roasted bone marrow on top of our paella. Now we're gonna add our French beans, our roasted onions, and garnish it with our pechay Tagalog. Let's dust it with a paprika on top and drizzle it with our Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil for another layer of flavor. And this is our finished product, our Bulalo Paella. And it smells really, really good. For more Doña Elena recipes, please follow us on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram.